Welcome back. In this video we will see how to fix Birdfy battery not charging. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Birdfy is not charging, so guys you just follow this video. First of all guys, check the temperature and the environment. So guys, litmus battery have built-in circuit protections that block the extreme cold. Ensure the ambient temperature is below 0 degree and 40 degree and 32 degree Fahrenheit to 140 degree Fahrenheit. If it is too cold, so bring the camera module indoor and let it to reach the room temperature for 15 to 10 minutes before plugging it back in. Second thing is guys, verify your charger and the cable. So guys, not all the USB cable are built to carry heavy charging current. To fix this, use the original Birdfy charging cable or reliable 5 watt and 1.5 ampere power adapter. If you have no indicator light, so leave the charger unplugged in for 30 to 60 minutes to recover its deep discharge battery. Then plug and reconnect it to reset the protection circuits. Fix third is guys, inspect and clean the charging point. So guys, dust and bird food residue or moisture inside the charging port will block the power transfer. So carefully inspect the USB port on the camera, gently blow away dust and lightly clean the contact with a soft brush or the cotton swab light. Damp with the isopropyl alcohol and let it to dry completely before plugging it in. Second thing is guys, perform a hard reset. So guys, software glitch can sometimes cause the camera to stop reading its charging status correctly. So the fix is you use a pin or the ejector tool to press and hold the reset reboot button or under a small flap on the top for 1 second and allow the camera to reboot and wait about minute and check if the status lights turn yellow or not. Last thing is guys, check the solar panel. If you are rely the exclusive on the solar panel and the battery is draining, the panel may not be receiving the enough sunlight. For this, bring the camera inside a charge it to 100% using the wall outlet first. Then ensure the solar panel is exposed to the direct sunlight, not the obstructed by the branches of overhang, and verify that the wire connection is completely tight. Alternatively, charging point. Some Birdfy model have both a top charging port or a top charging port for the solar and the rear charging port. So if one port fails, so try to plug the charger into the other port to determine if the issue is damaged port for or a faulty battery. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.